Hello addicts, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really great. So first of all, I want to thank you guys because my channel has completed 5k views. So thank you so much for that. So in this video, we are going to do the unboxing of my new tripod. So let's do
Guys,
this.
this is the box packing I got from the Amazon. So let's check the box. At front we can see the company branding and MRP says 1999, and at sides of the box there is nothing. At the bottom we can see some barcodes. Let's open this up and see what we get inside the box. So we can see it's a gorilla tripod with a ball head on the top, and we got a cell phone mount with this. So let's connect the cell phone mount to this and see how it's look like. So this is how it look like after connecting the cell phone mount. So let's talk about the build quality. The build quality is really good. We can't feel any cheap plasticky feel, and the legs are really tight, so we can mold this thing into like this also. So now let's attach the Boya mic to this and see how it look like. So guys, if you haven't seen my Boya mic unboxing, I am giving in the link in the iCard, so go and watch. So this is how my total vlogging setups look like. So my advice for you guys is to always buy the tripod with the ball head, so you can able to adjust it. And I hope you liked this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So meet you in my next video guys.